In this lesson, you can learn how to design this beautiful 6 steps infographic on world map in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background and go to picture or texture fill. I'm going to online. Uh, you can also add a downloaded file if you have. I'm going to write world map in this bar and we'll find some gray color map I need. So I'm looking for, let me find some beautiful map that insert to the slide. Go to insert and bring it to the slide. Okay, increase the transparency around about 60 and 70. Go to insert and take an all shape and drag an all shape by holding shift alt. Oh, sorry, select the all shape and drag by holding shift alt. Okay, I'm going to make it little bit smaller. Shape fill, white fill, and white, yeah, this one, yes. And shape outline, make it no outline. Control, let me give some shade. Control D to duplicate it and place it here at the side for later use. And I'm going to give it some shadow effects. I'm going with this shadow effect. Okay, transparency will be around about 75, 105, and blur will be 12. Select this one and shape fill, no fill, shape outline, give it black color by holding shift alt and make it little bit smaller. Let me align this one in the center and again select this one and align center and align middle. I'm going to make it little bit more smaller. Align center and align middle and go to shape outline, go to dashes, and I am going to make it this circle dashes. This will be okay. Okay, select this one and control D to duplicate it and make it smaller by holding shift alt and place it here. Again, go to insert and take in another all shape and drag by holding shift alt. Select both these small all shapes and align center, align middle and place it here. Let me make it little bit bigger in size and place it at the center of the white all shape. Shape fill, give it some yellow color, this one, and shape outline, make it no outline. Again, select both and I'm going to place it here in a way that it looks good. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me select this one to make it near to the center all shape and okay, I'm going to take the third all shape and put it with an arrow with the first all shape and fourth all shape with an arrow with the bottom all shape like this and let me make it near to the center. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. with arrow in the middle, all shape. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me align it. Go to insert and take align segment and drag align segment from the center all white shape, white all shape to these small all shapes, and I'm going to give it some gray color, shape outline, give it dashes, and let me look how it looks like. Yes, this one is okay. And the begin arrow will be this one, and I'm increasing its size also, so it looks like a very beautiful look. It gives a very beautiful look. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate it and give a link to other all shapes one by one. This is a very simple design, so you can easily design it. Control D to duplicate it and place it here, and like this. Okay, Control D to duplicate it, and this is the last one, the sixth one, and the last one. Select all these line segments and send to back. Go to insert and take a text box. I'm text info and hit enter, graphics. Let me select this text to give it a beautiful font. I am going with the Montserrat font. You can find this font on Google and download. It is free. Make it at the center, and I'm going to make it size of info to 40, yes, and make it bold and place it here at the center of the oval shape. Again, take a text box and template and put it here under the graphics. Give it Montserrat font and place it here. Take a line segment, and by holding shift you can drag a straight line segment. Give it gray color, and the width I'm increasing to whole 1/4 and place it here. Select this circle and Control D to duplicate it and make it smaller, so the center design will give a focus and it will give a premium look. Go to icon tab and bring some icons. I need 6 icons. You can find your icons by typing text in the search icon bar that you have need. So I need growth icon, and I'm going with this icon, insert, and bring it to the slide. Make it little bit small by holding Shift Alt and put it here at the side. So I'm going to convert these icons from SVG to shape fill. Control G to group it again. With this way, by go to group, ungroup, and again if the group needed, hit Control G. It converts these icon converter to shape fill. In this case also, again group not needed is not needed. Okay, yes, when in some icons again Control G needed, so here is also needed. Select all these icons one by one by holding Shift and shape outline, give it black color, and shape fill, no fill. I'm going to increase the width. So no, sorry, it doesn't looks better. Okay, I'm going with the same outline. So I'm going to put these icon one by one, earning and also growth, idea icon for idea goes here, and setting icon goes here, taking time, this icon goes here, and goal icon goes here. I am going to bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V to bring it to the slide. And I'm going to put this text in front of every type. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. You can align your text by, if you are getting some problems in your text that is not going to align, so change its fonts and also make the spaces, and you will get your font aligned. Thank you.